This is how to do a rear differential gasket on a 2000 Dodge Ram 2500 pickup. Remove the spare tire from underneath here. Then we're going to start breaking these loose. Need a screwdriver. Scrubby pad.
There's the new gasket. All the bolts are in, partially in.
Okay.
And then you're going to tighten them to what foot-pounds?
These are going to be up to 31 foot-pounds.
31 foot-pounds. And a pattern too, a zigzag pattern.
So the perfect level for this is 1/4 of an inch below the fill hole. Check that just by sticking your finger down in there really.
So he's on his third one now.
Perfect, right there. 1/4 inch below the hole. Okay, you do not want to over tighten this guy.